Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on equivalent fractions, and you've got to match the fraction to its equivalent simplified fraction. So here are the fractions and these are the simplified fractions, and if you can match them up with one fraction going to another fraction over here, you will get 1 mark in the exam. So your key facts are that you need to know how to cancel a fraction. So to cancel any fraction, you need to divide the numerator and the denominator by a number that is common to both numbers. So for example, on this one here, 12 over 18 cancels down to 2/3. The reason it does that is because 6 is a multiple of 12 and 18. So if we divide 12 by 6, we get 2, and divide 18 by 6, we get 3. That's why these two match up. You've got to match up the other ones. So press pause, have a go at working out which one of these fractions go with which simplified fraction, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Hello and welcome back. So hopefully you've managed to match these fractions to the simplified fraction. So well done if you've done that. So we're going to start with the top fraction up here, so 12 and 20. So you need to look at that number and you need to think, what number goes into 12 and 20? Now obviously 2 goes into that number because both these numbers are even. And if you want to keep halving this number, so half 12, half 20 and keep halving, you will get the correct answer. But there is a number bigger than 2 that goes into both of these. So 4 is the number that goes into 12 and 20. So we're going to divide both these numbers by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we're looking at 3 over 5, this fraction here. Now if we'd have done it by halving, half of 12 is 6, half of 20 is 10. So we've got 6 over 10. Half of 6 is 3, half of 10 is 5, will also give me 3/5. So if you prefer to do it by halving and halving again, you will get the right answer. The next fraction here, we can't just halve because 15 is an odd number. So we need to think about what number goes into 12 and 15. So both these numbers are in the 3 times table. And if it helps you to write out your 3 times table first, then write down your 3 times table before to help you cancel this fraction. So we've got to do 12 into 3. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we're looking at the fraction 4/5, so 4 over 5. The next one here, again, we've got to find a number that goes into 12 and 16. Again, these are both even, so they will halve, so you could halve it and then keep halving it until you can't go any further. The biggest number that goes into 12 and 16 is 4 again, so that is the same as halving and halving again. So we're just going to look at 12 divided by 4, which is 3, so this answer here. And 16 divided by 4 is 4, so the answer is 3/4, and you match this pair up here. If you'd have halved 12, you'd have got 6, half of 16 is 8, half of 6 is 3, half of 8 is 4, so halving and halving again would also give you the correct answer. Give yourself a big tick if you got those correct. Great work, well done. The mark scheme on this question shows how the fractions should be matched up. It does say for 1n, which means 1 method mark. It says do not accept fractions that are matched to more than one fraction. So for example, if you had this top fraction and it came down here or came across there, if it does both of those, then it would not give you the mark. Please comment below and let me know how you found this question and what you want more practice on. So let me know what you'd like the next topic to be on. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Remember, tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.